Good evening, students. Am I audible? Please respond in the chat box. Thank you, sir. We shall start by 6:40. Kindly ask your friends to join the session. Can we start the meeting now? Okay, first, let me give a little bit heads up on what is IMU. IMU or your will accompany you in your placement journey. So, along with your college placement team, we will also accompany you in your placement training process. So now let me introduce into the platform. So I hope the screen is visible and this is the login page. So kindly just note this URL. This particular URL, you will use this URL throughout your academic year to log in into this portal and enter your mail ID. I mean the registered mail ID. So currently I am using my demo mail ID here. Make sure you don't leave any space in this particular mail ID and click next, and you can enter your password. So my password is my default password, which is all the characters before at symbol. I'm clicking login. So currently I'm landing into my dashboard page. For the students who are still in the invited stage, I mean who are not yet activated their account, so you will be provided with this particular user manual. So here you can able to see what are the steps to do if you miss your activation link. So make sure to follow these steps. Just enter your mail ID and click on send activation link. So you will once again receive your activation link to enter into the portal, and then you can able to fill your profile details and publish your profile. So after that you will be landed into this particular dashboard page. So in the left hand side you can able to see the menu bar. Click courses. So all the test and course that you have been enrolled will be shown here. So currently this is a demo platform and I am enrolled in only one course. I'm clicking this course. So here you can able to see in the left side there are number of modules and mini tests inside that, both aptitude and also like coding. First I'm clicking on apps. So the main page you can able to see the login time, which is a start before 31st May 2025, and the timing is also mentioned here. And your test summary will be shown here. And here there is one button, it's this like take test button. Click it. So read this test and instruction once and click agree and proceed. So you will be given with 25-second buffer seconds. So these 25 seconds is for you to settle down for the test and also for you to check your internet speed. So make sure it is like 3 Mbps, at least 3 Mbps. So once you enter into a test, if any proctoring restrictions are enabled from our end, so this particular test instruction tab will be shown here. Click OK, and then this is your test taking page. Here in the leftmost side you can able to see the number of questions present here, and in the middle page you can able to see the question, and in the right side you can able to see the option. In the top you can able to see the sections. So currently there is one section. If you want to navigate between section you can use this particular box, and here you can able to see your details, and this is the time running. So make sure to just notice this. And to answer a question I'm just clicking one option and clicking next. You can able to see my particular number box change into green, which means my question I have completed this question. So this question second one I'm skipping it, you can able to see it turns into red. And if you want to bookmark any question so that you can able to visit later after completing other questions, you can just use this button, so it will turn into yellow. So please note that the completed question will not completed, I mean the skipped question turn into green and red. This doesn't mean your question is right or wrong. So also in the bottom you can able to see like answered, bookmarked, skipped, not viewed, and saved in server. So make sure like answered and saved in server are equal, because only if the questions are saved in server the marks will be provided. So make sure that, so like that you can able to answer many questions. Here I'm just moving to next tab, just trying to do so, and you can see there's a warning message. It shows you that the number of tabs is done is one, and it is a digitally proctored test. So once you just like gone more to this tab switches, then it will be like the test will be automatically submitted. So this is how you have to do it. And after completing the test, just click submit test, and you can able to see your answer summary here, and click end and click yes. So your test will be submitted, and after that you will be given with the view result analysis link. Just click this particular hyperlink and it will move you to the next tab. You can able to see your analysis here, and in the most of the tests as per your college side, and we are enabling your answers and solution also will be shown here. You can able to refer it. So do you have any doubt till like login page and also how to take a MCQ question? So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, so we shall move to the next part, which is the coding question part. So here, after completing my MCQ, I'm just scrolling with this number of tests given here. I'm just clicking this C question. So same as taking this MCQ test, just click take this button. Before that, make sure you just notice your login time and the test pattern here. And if you missed it, you can able to see the pattern here in the buffer second tab. So click OK to this test instruction. And this is like consists of tech MCQ and coding. The tech MCQ same as the aptitude MCQ. We are just clicking the right or wrong answer and we can move to next. And if you want to switch your section here, I can able to do it by using the session tab. And here you can able to see my coding question. So in the middle part will be given with the problem statement. Make sure to read your problem statement and input and output format. So and also the sample test cases will be given here. So just note this points, and here the note is given. It says you to submit the code because only after if you submit the code will be saved in server. Even if it's half a code or full code, even if you are trying for fifth or 10th time, just make sure for every time you're like compiling running, just make sure to submit the code because of that your code will be saved in server, and like marks will be provided according to your code. And here in the main page you can able to choose your languages here, and since it's C, I'm just going with C here. I'm just entering some random words. Obviously it's not a code, I'm just entering some random words, and I'm clicking compile and run. So once I click compile and run, you can able to see my sample test case passed state. So if you enter your correct code according to your problem statement, here the sample test case pass number will be like 2 out of 2, and the sample test cases like output can also be obtained. So this is the expected output. This is the place where your code output will be shown here. So if it match, then the sample test case is passed, and I'm clicking submit code. So here the hidden test cases will be passed. So since we didn't write any code, obviously my hidden test cases are failed. Your marks will be only awarded based on the hidden test cases. So once you click submit code, the hidden test cases will be evaluated based on the difficulty level of hidden test cases. The marks will be awarded to you. And the compile and run is just make sure like there is no error in code, and is your code is correct or wrong. So that simplifies the compile and run thing. So click submit code, and then the particular marks will be awarded. And here you can able to see the answer and saved in server is 1, and my code is like submitted in the server, which means the marks will be awarded. So this is how we can able to answer coding question. So after like entering the coding question, I'm just like submitting the particular test and clicking end. So here same like view result analysis. If I click this hyperlink, I can able to see what is my coding performance, what is my test performance, like topic wise performance, and also if the solution are enabled from our end, you can able to see the correct solution for the coding question and what is your code and what is the correct code. Like that, you can able to see even with the hidden test cases. You can see what are the hidden test cases and what are the test cases passed, failed. You can able to see every such details by clicking the view result analysis. So for every real test, actual test which you are taking, for example, like hour of code and hour of placement, it is your daily test. And there in the hour of code, you can able to see the solutions and the correct answer and the hidden test cases past fail. All the details you can able to see that. So like this, you can able to take a course, and in the profile, like in the right corner. While in this profile, I can able to enter into my profile. So here, even if you enter your wrong details while entering into the platform, you can able to change it here. So and click save changes. If you want to just update it, you can able to do so. And account settings, if you want to enter your new password, you want to change your password, you can do it here. Just I'm entering my current password and clicking confirm, and here I can able to see change password thing. I'm entering my new password, and I'm clicking confirm password and click change. So therefore my password current password will be updated, and my new password will be set as my current password. So like that we can able to do so. And the main thing about ongoing courses is we have enabled for your practice preparatory courses, which is C++, DSA, and Aptitude, along with the Hour of Code and Hour of Placement course. So make sure to take this course. That particular course will have reference videos with your practice and actual assessment. So in the practice assessment, you will have basic questions, and in the advanced actual assessment, you will be given with the scenario based product level company questions will be given. Make sure to just take as a practice. And as hour of code and hour of placement, it will be enable on alternative days. Make sure to take that because it will really helpful for your placement. And another is like the open IDE. So once you click open IDE, I can able to just enter here in the new compiler page. And here you can able to see there are numerous languages. You can use MySQL or C Sharp, anything, and you can just write a code for the questions like which you have came across over the internet and you want to practice in somehow. So you can use it here. You can enter your custom input, and you can compile and run, and you can practice the code here. So that's it from my end. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yeah, sure. You can attend these tests multiple times. So if your college placement team said so, we will extend your test attempts up to 10. We can able to extend, and if they say so, we will extend it, and then you can take it. That means the test completed button will change into retake text button for this particular thing. Like this, you will be given. And so you can see there are four attempts, and I have attempted only one attempt. So like this, you will be reflected. Is there any other doubt? And if you have any doubt regarding the process, you can just refer to this manual. um, so it will be useful for you if you have any doubt. And also you can refer this recording. Okay, if you don't have any doubts, we can wind up the session. So thank you all for joining.